Hello once again, plant lovers. This is me again, Nelborn of Ornamental and Decorative Plants, Eco-Friendly Plants. And I have here a two variety of hybrid gymnocalyciums. This one, which has a pinkish flower, and this one with purely white flowers. And what I'm going to do is to pollinate this. Because if I will not pollinate this one, this is what will happen. Ito po yung mangyayari. Matatanggal po yung pods niya. Hindi siya magkabunga. So, kailangan talaga siyang i-pollinate. Ito po yung mangyayari. Oh, these are some of the rotten flowers. So, kailangan ko siyang i-pollinate. And to do that, so kunin natin itong petals. Slowly but surely. For the pink one, kunin ko muna ito. And I am using blade. Nearer. Okay. Okay. And you now have, unsa man ni siya? Anther. Okay. So this one, for that. And ito. So, here it is. So, we will interchange now. Ito yung white flowered seed pod na ipopollinate natin sa pink flowered na ito. Yung, ano tawag to? Spores. Okay, this one. Ito. So, ilalagay na natin ito. Diyan. Ma-develop siya into seeds. One seed pad can produce hundreds of seeds. Ayan na. So, yan. That's it. And after that, this one. Ganito po siya. Kunin natin yung spores from this one. Yan. Tapos ilalagay natin dito. Okay, ayan. So, it's already done. So, before I end this up, ito po yung nangyayari sa unang pollination ko and seed germination. Ito, medyo maliit. Maliit sila. Smaller. This one is much bigger.